Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mario Party online. First, ensure you have a Nintendo Switch console and a copy of the game. An active Nintendo Switch Online membership is absolutely essential for connecting with others. Also, make sure your console has a stable internet connection, ideally a strong Wi-Fi signal or a wired connection, for the best experience. Remember, each person playing online will need their own console and game. To start an online match, navigate to the main menu of your Mario Party game. From there, simply select the online option. You'll then have two choices. Friend Match allows you to connect with people on your Nintendo Switch friends list, while Global Match pairs you with random players from around the world. If playing with friends, you can easily create a room or join one using a unique room code. Once online, you can enjoy several exciting game modes. The classic Mario Party mode supports up to 4 players, offering a full board game experience. For a cooperative challenge, try Partner Party mode, which is a 2 versus 2 team battle. If you prefer quick action, Minigame mode lets you jump straight into a series of fun challenges. You can also customize rules like the number of turns before starting. For the best online experience, consider using a wired internet connection instead of Wi-Fi, as it often provides more reliable performance. While the game doesn't have built-in voice chat, you can easily communicate with friends using external applications on your phone or computer. Always ensure everyone has updated their game software to the latest version to avoid compatibility issues. If you encounter any connection problems, a simple console restart can often help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.